Hi there. My name's Darren Hoffman. I'm one of the faculty in the dental program. I actually teach gross anatomy in the first year of dental school, so if you decide to come here, we'll get to know each other really well. Um, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the ways that we as faculty care for our students, which I think is something that's super important about Iowa. Um, we do this sometimes in ways that are invisible to you, like the way that we keep track of what's going on in your other courses and making sure that we're balancing your schedule and not overwhelming you during a busy time in another course. But also in ways that are more obvious. Like, I really like to get to know you as people and talk to you about who you really are, and I like to let you get to know me. I think that's a really important way for me to be able to communicate well with you. And well, frankly, in anatomy, a lot of the things we learn can actually improve our personal lives in a lot of ways. So I'm definitely not afraid to engage that topic. Um, the other way that I really enjoy showing care for students is in office hours visits, working on study skills. I work with a lot of students every year. Usually, about half the class is comes in at some point for a one-on-one visit to talk about these things, because frankly, dental school is hard, and learning how to learn a lot of information really fast is not natural for most people. So everybody needs a little bit of help. So I've learned a lot of things from students over the years through doing this work, and one of the things I'll just share with you is that rarely the answer is studying more. It's studying better, and so it takes all kinds of strategies and creative thinking to come up with the best way to solve a learning problem. I would be thrilled to work with you on those things. So if you decide to come here, you can consider me one of your allies.